Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Flavors and Knowledge. This is your host, Chef Walter Potenza. We are approaching the St. Joseph's festivity, the 19th of March, and of course, in the Italian tradition, we feature something usually spectacular. It's called zeppola. It is also known as a St. Joseph's Day cake, a traditional pastry that has been enjoyed in Italy for centuries. The history of zeppola can be traced back to the Middle Ages, when they were a popular treat during the feast of St. Joseph's, which is celebrated exactly on the 19th of this month. The word zeppola is derived from the Greek word zeppos, which means donut. And in Italy, zeppole are typically made with a sweet light dough that is deep fried and then dusted with powdered sugar or filled with a vanilla cream. Over time, zeppole have been evolving to include various regional variations such as adding a ricotta cheese, lemon zest, or even orange flower water to the dough. In some areas of the country of Italy, they are also filled with pastry cream and even chocolate. They are, as I said, throughout this month, the perfect holiday sweet for the Italian and Catholics alike. I do have a recipe for you. All I'm asking you to do is to join my newsletter, which is a free subscription, walterpotenza.substack.com. And I have the latest recipe so that you can try the zeppole at home. Anyways, I'll hope to hear from you. Check out the recipe, join us in the newsletter so you will be receiving information on tested recipes and all things that are pertinent to good cooking. Until the next time, Chef Walter here. Stay well. Happy St. Joseph.